Every day, the modern world runs on energy, powering cars, factories, and cities. But have you ever thought about where this energy really comes from? Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies the answer, the group of remarkable chemical compounds called hydrocarbons. They are the true foundation of all fuels, from gasoline and diesel to natural gas. Hydrocarbons are chemical compounds made only of hydrogen and carbon atoms. They were formed millions of years ago under intense heat and pressure from the remains of ancient plants and microorganisms buried deep underground. Over time, nature transformed these organic materials into crude oil, coal, and natural gas, the fuels that built our civilization. In a hydrocarbon molecule, carbon and hydrogen form strong chemical bonds. These bonds store a large amount of chemical energy, the same energy released when the fuel burns. This is why hydrocarbons are such powerful energy sources. They pack energy inside their molecular structure, waiting to be released. When a hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen, a process called combustion occurs. This reaction breaks the bonds of carbon and hydrogen, forming carbon dioxide CO and water vapor HO, and releasing heat energy. This released energy powers vehicles, industrial machines, and home appliances, turning chemical energy into mechanical and thermal energy. Hydrocarbons exist in many forms, each with different structures and behaviors. The alkanes, like methane and propane, are simple and stable. Alkenes and alkynes are more reactive, used in the chemical industry. And aromatic hydrocarbons, like benzene, form the basis for plastics, paints, and lubricants. Each type has a different boiling point, flash point, and energy density, which determines where it can be used. Among hydrocarbons, only a few are suitable for vehicle propulsion. Gasoline and diesel are refined from crude oil and used in most engines. Natural gas, mainly made of methane CH, is gaining popularity as a clean and efficient fuel. While liquid fuels are powerful, methane offers a cleaner combustion process, producing fewer harmful emissions. Methane is the simplest hydrocarbon, made of one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. This structure gives it a high hydrogen-to-carbon ratio, meaning it produces more water and less carbon dioxide when burned. Here is why methane is more environmentally friendly. 1. Lower carbon emission. Burning methane releases about 25% less CO than gasoline for the same energy output. 2. Cleaner combustion. Methane combustion leaves almost no soot or particulate matter, unlike diesel. 3. Reduced engine wear. Natural gas engines run smoother and cleaner, reducing deposits inside the combustion chamber. 4. High octane rating. Methane's high octane number allows for more efficient combustion and fewer knocking issues. 5. Abundant and affordable. Methane can be found in natural reserves or produced from biogas, making it a sustainable and renewable option. That's why CNG compressed natural gas and LNG liquefied natural gas are now powering public buses, taxis, and trucks worldwide, especially in developing countries. Even in terms of energy, methane stands strong. Both compressed and liquefied natural gas have comparable or higher energy content than diesel, with much lower environmental impact. Hydrocarbons have powered human progress for centuries. Now, as we transition toward cleaner energy, methane stands as a bridge fuel, connecting today's fossil energy with tomorrow's sustainable world. From the depths of Earth to the heart of every engine, hydrocarbons are the ancient energy that keeps our world in motion. And methane, the simplest of them all, might just be the clean key to a greener energy future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science and engineering videos.